Why couldn't the toilet paper cross the road? Because they got stuck in a crack.
Funky. Why couldn't the toilet paper cross the street? Because it got stuck in the crack.
Hey Penny, can I tell you a joke? Why did the dog sit in the shade? Because he didn't want to be a hot dog.
Miso, why was the dog sitting in the shade? Because he didn't want to be a hot dog. Mustard or ketchup.
Ahsoka, you want to hear a joke? What do you call a magic dog? I haven't told you yet! A labracadabrador.